Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Fashion Girly Hacks. How are you? I hope you are fine and doing well with good health and very happiness. And you have a lot of fun in your life. And this is me, Asya. And today I show you in this video very stylish and latest collection. Low maintenance hairstyles with beautiful eye-catching ideas of hair dye. Very attractive and beautiful collection of haircut. Overall ideas, latest and trendy. I hope you like it. First of all, I'll talk about hairstyling, fine hairstyle. And messy hairstyles. Mostly ideas in low maintenance hairstyling, messy and sparky hairstyle. But in today's my collection, some ideas: too short, wave and curl on hair. Beautiful ideas of haircut. Pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and different type of cut. Some ideas layered and some ideas step. Some ideas in undercut and a very beautiful collection of hair dye. Blonde hair dye, burgundy hair dye, light brown, dark brown, black color. Some ideas in funky colors and so beautiful collection of highlights and highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color. So attractive overall ideas. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this. And if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very stylish, and you look gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel. Like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others. And please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this. And share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much for watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll dive back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.